This is gonna be your glute bridge. So we're gonna start off lying on our back. We're gonna bend our knees a little bit more than a 90 degree. And then from here, I like to place more emphasis on my heels. So when I initiate the glute bridge, I wanna think as if I'm pulling my heels towards my butt. I can keep my entire foot grounded, but most of the weight should be in my heels as I am biasing the hamstrings. My hands can be laying towards my side here, supported. The cue that I hear a lot of people emphasize is think of it like you're driving your hips towards your ceiling. I don't like that cue because what ends up happening when I focus on driving my hips to my ceiling, I go too far and then I start to feel it in my low back, right? So instead of that cue, I like to say, think of it like you're trying to pinch a coin between your butt cheeks. Think of it like you're driving your heels towards your butt. You're gonna feel a lot more glutes and hammies when you do that, which that's the whole target, right? It's called a glute bridge, not a lumbar bridge. So I'm squeezing my glutes, hold for a few seconds and drive down. If I'm doing this as an isometric, I can just drive up, hold for the prescribed amount of time. If I'm doing it dynamic, I like to at least hold the end range for about 3 seconds and then control myself back down. Don't just drop. Drive up, and then control myself back down. Another option is you can get like a volleyball or soccer ball, place it between your knees, and then squeeze the ball to get a little adductor activation. And that's gonna be your glute bridge.